What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video, a different kind of video. A lot of y'all been asking about the electric air dusters that I use in my shop. I'm actually in a barber studio, and one thing I've learned is that you have to be resourceful. With that being said, in a barber studio, you don't have a whole lot of room. You have to find ways to fit everything in that you need. In my studio, we don't have a place that a air compressor tank can go. So we don't have the air compressors, the compressed air, the hoses and all that. What we do have is the electric air dusters. We got these off of Amazon. I have two different ones. They both perform differently. This one seems to be quite a bit stronger. The smaller one, the air comes out faster. So if I hold this down, the air will start coming out right away. With this one, as you can see, it takes a while to start up. I use the bigger one. It is stronger. I use it to basically get all the hair out the corners of the floor and things like that. It helps a lot at the end of the day when it's time to sweep. I dust off my station, I dust off my chair. The smaller one I use on the client because I know that if I'm dusting off a client, it'll get the hair off, but it's also not going to hurt their skin or anything like that. Before we say anything else, I need y'all to subscribe. It's a lot of y'all watching my videos. It really helps if you guys subscribe. It helps me out. It helps you guys out to stay notified and stay up to date with my latest videos. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Don't just be in here taking up space and you ain't subscribing. At the time of this video, this one is going for $67.99 on Amazon. Sometimes there's coupons on it, sometimes there's not, but as of right now, it's going for $67.99 on Amazon, and it has 45,000 RPM, which is pretty strong for one of these. My other one does not have that much RPM, so it is pretty strong, which is why I use it for the corners of the room, and I use it a lot before I sweep. I do not use this for clients simply because it makes the haircut longer. It takes a while for it to get to full speed or full power. It takes a while for it to start up. So I just use this at the end of the day to dust off my station in my chair, as well as help get hair off the floor. Now, I'm not sure if you can see, this takes a USB-C charging cord. It does not come with a block in the box. It just comes with a cord, but it seems to charge pretty fast. You're not gonna use this a whole lot. Well, I don't as a barber. I probably use it a couple times a day. I think I charge this once a week. So the battery seems to be pretty good on these. Now this is the other one. This is my go-to. This is what I use on every single client. I use it to dust off the hair on my clippers. Air comes out of it pretty quickly, gets up to full speed pretty quickly. I don't charge it too often. I probably charge it a couple times a week. It comes with a regular USB charging port as well as a USB cord. It is not a USB-C, so it does take a little bit longer to charge. You have to hold the trigger down for the air to come out. If you double tap it, you don't have to hold it down, but you'll have to tap it again to turn it off. So it'll basically auto lock. Now this air duster goes for $59.99 on Amazon. This one has 33,000 RPMs. It's pretty powerful, but it's not as powerful as the other one. The other one is a lot more powerful, which is simply why I use this on the clients. It's lighter, it's not as big, it's also not as loud either. I use this, like I said, for clients, get hair off the cape as well as cleaning off my clippers. Now you can find a lot of different ones of these, but I have no idea how the air comes out of those. Like I said, this one, you hold it down, it'll come right out. The other one does take a while to get up to full power, and it's a lot louder. To me, the more RPM, the louder it probably is, but the more air comes out. So just be mindful of that. This one works perfect for me. Me and Jose came from a shop where we had air compressors and air hoses and things like that, and we didn't have to worry about getting things like this. But when you come to a studio, you really have to be resourceful, and you have to think of things like that you'll need. This is one of our most useful tools. Actually, my brother suggested this for me because he has a studio. He has a barber studio, and he had one of these and he liked it, and he told me all about it. So I got one, and then I got this other one thinking, oh, I need more power, which I really didn't. So I got this one for the client, I got the other one for the floor, as well as my station. Now this also comes in blue. The other one, it only showed one option which is the black and purple. The link I found on Amazon, you could get these next day 9 times out of 10 off of Amazon. Make sure you check the shipping and everything. It has fast charging on it, so it's pretty convenient for us barbers. Even if you're in a shop where you don't have any air compressors. I know some people used to buy the air in a can. I'm sure that got expensive. This is definitely a great resource for you. I do recommend this. It saved a lot of time from my haircuts. You don't have to use a nut duster or anything like that. You just use the air and continue to cut. Now, if any of you have used any other ones, please hit me in the comments and let me know what you think and leave a link. I definitely want to know how many RPMs are in the ones you guys are using, if you are using any. If you have any questions about this product, please hit me in the comments as well. Like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video as always.